Okay everyone, this video about the tiny house in the forest anyway, and it has dimension around 4 and 8 meter for the length of this tiny house, and it has half area with a roof deck purpose anyway. We can see for the outside exterior, it's just a simple tiny house with a box shape right there, and we can see about the large opening and large transparent door and window in the front, and we can see about the large window in the left and right side over there, and it has a solar panel on the top of this tiny house with skylight in this shower cabin area. Okay, we can look for the plan and interior arrangement right there. You can see for the interior. Okay, just wait. I will show you about the interior of this tiny house anyway. Okay, we can see about the interior of this tiny house anyway. It has compact room arrangement right there. It has one multi-purpose table, and it has one floor table right there, and it has small cushion area, cushion area right there in the middle of the cabinet and surround of it. And it has one sitting area in the rising floor right there, and it has a letter L or L-shaped kitchen area and the cabinet right there, and it has bathroom area with wastafel, toilet, and the shower cabin right there. Okay, we can see the surrounding interior and surrounding environment of this tiny house design anyway. So it has sophisticated location and view. It because these tiny house are so flexible to place on the somewhere area on the forest, such as the contour line right there. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you can get a lot of insight for this video, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.